Hello students, good morning to all. So today we'll continue lesson 2 internet services, and today we'll talk about the web services. Okay. So the first web service is the chat service. So first web service is the chat service, and this chat is an online conversation and is more personalized. So writing emails is a time-consuming process as compared to the way of communication in which the users can instantly send messages back and forth to each other. This is done with the help of the WhatsApp and the Facebook or Instagram. In the email, so this wonderful way of communication is called online chatting. In the email, one has to type the email address or a particular subject of mail, but in chatting, one cannot write without caring about any syntax. One can write without caring about any syntax. As the name depicts, there is a prerequisite for an online chat to take place. The users are required to be online. First thing, you have the internet services. It is just like the talking to other people over the internet with a difference that you are typing rather than speaking. Chats can be either point to point, where only one receiver gets the message, or it can be a group communication also. What is the chat room? Another thing is also the chat room. So this chat room is a part of the online service in which you can converse with the people of the different categories, such as your faraway friends, relatives, etc. So whatever the chat group you prepare, that is called the chat room. People who share common interests, we keep such type of people in the chat room. Real-time chats with corporations about their products. So you will get the time also on which time, or you will get the real time on which time you are sending the message, you are reading the message. Next, fans can chat with the celebrities through chat sessions hosted by their sponsors. There is the type of chat. First is the instant messaging. So this instant messaging is a real time and the mutual communication between persons with help of the internet. This is a private chat. Once the recipient is online, you can start sending messages to him or her. Unlike the emails when you have the wait for the reply from the recipient, collaboration uses instant messaging technique. This also supports the use of add-on features like smiley or emotion icons with a text message. Example of the instant messaging application include Facebook, WeChat, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, etc. Like online chat, instant messaging offers two-way message exchange in the real time. The only difference between the instant messaging and the online chat is that instant messaging, the communication takes place between the known users and includes only those people whom the user has invited. Whereas the online chat could happen between the unknown users. Some popular instant messaging services used nowadays days are the Google Hangouts, Windows Live Messenger, AOL Messenger, IMO, Skype, etc. So we add some smileys or emotion icons. To add the emotion icon, the message, go on the instant messenger and open your chat window, and there you find this many emotions. At the bottom of the chat window, you can see the emotion icon symbols, and clicking that, a list of group of emotion icon will be displayed. You can choose the desired emotion icon by selecting it. So you can choose the emotion icons from here. Many are there. So now next is the IRC. This IRC is a multi-user internet relay chat. Is a multi-user, multi-channel chatting system. Imagine sitting in front of your computer and talking through the type messages with either one person or many other people from all over the internet, all in the real time. So best of all, once you get set up, chatting on IRC is totally free. Video conferencing is becoming an increasingly viable tool in the corporate world. Better technology, green IT initiatives, and cuts in many company travel budgets have contributed to the rise of video conference as a collaborative solution. So the comprehensive tutorial details the ins and outs of basics, video conferencing, operations management, troubleshooting, and more are there. So the students have uploaded the answers of lesson 1 and 2. on the school website in the study material section. From there, you would write in your notebooks. And for the first term syllabus, first practical test syllabus till lesson 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is all for the today, students. In the next class, we'll continue our discussion about this lesson 2 internet services. Thank you for your kind attention.